Hello guys, and welcome to the magical world of Berachain or Berachain, however you call it. It's another testnet airdrop style project. What does it mean? Testnet basically means that you can do all the actions that you would do on normal chains like Ethereum, like those Binance Smart chains or other Arbitrums, and you can do it for free. So you can not only learn how it works, and you can not only test it out for them basically and for yourself, you know, how does it work, what is that, but also when the time comes to go to the main net, which is basically the real deal, the real network with real money, you'll be able to get an airdrop. So what they're gonna do, obviously testnet is for testing everything, I'm gonna show you in a second, and then they would airdrop some tokens and then launch the full-on live network with obviously the tokens in your wallet that hopefully would increase in price. So all it is basically, I just want to give you a quick summary update and how to connect it, how to run it, and then you can ask me any questions. I can do more videos because there's quite a few things you can do actually here. And basically how those testnets work, you first connect the network, add the token and get some token, in this case from the faucet, which you have here in the corner. And then there's obviously tons of things. So if you go here quickly to dApps, you'll see you can do all these things, all the typical things like swapping the token, getting the token. So let's go ahead and try it, because obviously that would be very helpful. So let's try go to the BEX and add the token. So if you go here on the corner and you've got your metamask wallet obviously ready, because that is where it's going to connect and add the network. So if you're gonna click on the metamask, it will pop up with something like that with a new chain. This is obviously the testnet for Bera. Approve that, switch the network, and now we can play here with the tokens. Step 2 is get some token to play with. So obviously go to the faucet, which basically means they will send you some free money, but it's obviously test money. I already sent myself something here before, so as you can see I've got some already here, and you can do it once every 8 hours. So make sure you have enough. Let's say sometimes you need more, so sometimes you need to do it twice, but with 0.1. Let's see what we can do. Then we can explore the Berachain, but before we do that, let's go to the other thing, which is basically the tasks, which is called quests here, as you can see in the corner. It's on GALXE website, which I think is a website for other chains as well, so maybe later you can explore it. But as you can see, you have a couple things to do here. Daily visit the chain to do again the faucet, all that stuff gonna do in a second. Then you can get point for following them on Twitter and all that stuff. So you can log in with wallet again. We'll do the same wallet. Let's switch to BNB maybe, and then we're gonna switch back to the other one. Create your username here, and as you can see, it loaded from our wallet that we actually visited, so you can claim those points. And you see some others here. Let's close it and go to the other one here, and you can claim the other points here. And as you can see, we have all the steps. Basically you would do Twitter, all this stuff. If you wanna, you know, skip some, then as you could see, I could already get some points without doing all the tasks, so don't worry about it and just follow those steps. I'm just gonna skim through it a bit quicker, go back to the tasks, and as you can see, this one here is done. So let me switch back to the Berachain here on MetaMask. Maybe didn't see it. As you can see, those testnet networks are here on the bottom. Or could just go back to the swap page and we'll switch it for you to the correct one. Refresh it here sometimes and you can get more points. As you can see, it increases here, so you can do all the steps which is obviously step-by-step process. It's not a big thing. As you can see, swap tokens. Now we can go to the Berachain faucet, to the Berachain swapper, as you can see, or always on the bottom or on the main page, sorry, you should see the different options. Basically, you can do, the more you execute the trading with them, the more points you could potentially get, the more tokens. So as you can see, this points here. So let's say swap Bera to SDG USDC. As you can see, we have it here, swap tokens Bera. We've got now 0.2 to SDG USDC. Step by step, just follow what's going on here, and let's say we're gonna swap 0.02, let's call it like that. So I don't swap everything, preview, swap, and again we have to approve it in the wallet. It's all on TESTNET network, so no transactions to pay. Okay, so it's a success. So we can go back to the GALXE, and if you click on that, it should already refresh with a task finished. And you can do all the tasks obviously, and then go back to faucet or to this page. And as you can see here, the explore one, you've got the different stuff, so you can literally go through them, maybe try click on whatever is possible. Maybe this one is not, it's just governance. You can mint here the native stable coin, which will be that USDC, supply assets, borrow. So we're going to have to mint some honey, then use some other borrow, lending, all that stuff. So as you can see, it's all very well developed and already ready to go. So hopefully soon we're gonna have the airdrop and basically go live. As you can see, we swapped some of it, so now we can swap it for we swap that USDC. That's why the steps are like one by one there as well. Swap everything, as you can see, for some honey, then we can play with that honey to do other things. So it's all interconnected. Do all the tasks, keep coming back, keep testing it, clicking everything. You're not gonna lose any money because it's all free, and we can get some nice decent airdrop. So let me know any comments, anything you need to know, and hopefully we're gonna make some money. So thank you for watching.